Welcome to the highly sought out community at Fireside at Norterra in beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. Hi, I'm Kim Nathanson with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Arizona Properties, and today I want to welcome you to this beautiful home. Offering 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,508 square feet, this home is perfect. Enter and you're greeted by beautiful splashes of color everywhere you look. This split open floor plan is perfect for gatherings or entertainment, with the kitchen opening to the family room and dining area. Enjoy your own private lush oasis with sparkling pool and pergola with fire pit for those chilly Arizona nights. Information on this beautiful home or to schedule a private or virtual showing, contact me, Kim Nathanson, at 480-512-2501. Thank you.